Alrighty, Pute. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the set square, yeah, as much as efficiently as possible. Yeah, set square. So to use the we usually use set square to draw parallel lines. Okay. So even in parallel lines, it can happen in two different ways. Yeah. One method is drawing a parallel line to a given line through a given point. Yeah, what does that mean? That means they will, yeah, let me take this thing here. Give me 1 second. Yep, that means they will give us a parallel line, a line which is like this, and also they will give us another point somewhere, and they will ask you to draw a parallel line to this particular point line through this point. So that means you need to know how to build, how to get a parallel line from here to here. Yeah, you need to build that line. So that is what's the one of the first thing we are going to learn. Then the next thing, drawing a parallel line. Yeah. When a line to a given line through when the perpendicular distance is given. When the perpendicular distance is given. So that means they will give you a parallel line and they will say you, hey, the perpendicular distance, that means 90-degree making distance is between the two lines are around maybe let's say 5 centimeters ahead. Now draw another parallel line through it. So something like this. Yeah, but you need to make sure that it looks parallel enough. So those are the main two things which we need to know to obtain the workings of this particular topic. Alright, so then let's go and have a look how to get this thing done. Yep. So let's say, let me take a set square in a ruler. So your set square will be much more nice looking than mine for sure. This is how my one looks like. Unfortunately or fortunately. So let's say that they gave me me take my ruler and draw a line through it. Here we go. And let's say that they want me to draw a parallel line through this point. Okay, through this point. So that means I need to make up a parallel line through this point. Now, how are we going to achieve that? That is what I'm going to teach you. First thing what you need to do is take your set square and keep it on the line and keep it on the line where it is parallel to this. Now still it's not the best parallel. Let's try our best to get it parallel as much as possible. I think that is parallel enough. Let's check. Yeah, can you guys see? Yeah, this is going spot on there. Then what we need to do is move this thing in a way and take your ruler and keep it on top of the line you just got. Keep it on the set square like this. And then slide the set square through the ruler until you come to the point where the parallel line should happen. And then you can take the ruler out, no problem. Or if you want, you can keep the ruler as well, doesn't really matter. Now we are going to draw the parallel line. Here we go. And there we go, we achieved the parallel line. If you want to stretch it more, use the ruler. Why bother to use the set square, right? So you can use the ruler here and stretch the line which you just created for more working outs. Here we go. Can you guys see it? There we have two parallel lines to each other going through the point given. All good, guys? Then the next type of movement which can happen is they can give us a parallel line and they can say draw a parallel line to this line, given line, maybe 5 centimeters away. So again, what you need to do is take your set square, make sure it is on the line of the given line. Then take your ruler and keep it. Make sure the zero line is on top of the straight line. And now, guys, what you need to do is, now you want 5 centimeters away, right? So if they say 5 centimeters below, go about 5 centimeters down here. And then go downwards by 5 centimeters. If they say 5 centimeters above, you keep the 0 here and go 5 centimeters up. Okay. Now here, let's say it was 5 centimeters above. So 1 centimeter, can you see? Look at the ruler. That's how we do it. Yeah. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. There we have, that's 5 centimeters. Now what we need to do is draw a now I definitely know, there's no doubts whatsoever, the length between the two lines are definitely always, we can get rid of the set square. Now have a look, 5 centimeters here, even 5 centimeters here, even 5 centimeters here. It's parallel to each other with making 5 centimeters away from each other. This is how we use a set square and a ruler to achieve the parallel lines.